ANA, Inspiration of Japan.
Hi, my name is David, and I'm here to show you our ANA Care Promise initiative and what you can expect when you fly with ANA Now. In the aircraft cabin, we understand you might be concerned about the air quality and common surfaces, but we would like you to know that the common areas are constantly disinfected during the flight. Let's have our cabin attendant explain the procedure.
High performance HEPA filter. Replace the cabin air every 3 minutes. Lavatory is wiped and disinfected by one cabin attendant regularly. Aircraft are cleaned and disinfected after each flight. I hope our initiatives alleviate any concerns you may have. We look forward to seeing you on board.